Today, I was trying to use my tripod, right? My tripod has something like this. It's called a quick release or whatever the name is. And usually, to use it, you need to connect like that quick release to the camera. Now, I couldn't find this thing anywhere. I looked around and I just couldn't. So what I did was I got a set of calipers. This thing. I took some measurements and I did a draft of what I wanted to build, this thing. It wasn't perfect because this stuff never is perfect at the first time. So, basically, you want to put the camera here, right? So, there's a piece that goes in this part, which then just slides into place. And this thing gets it, stuck to its place, so it's fixed. Now I tried to print the first version. These are all prototypes, and as you can see I didn't even let them finish because I kind of knew they wouldn't work. So you can see this first one, it goes in, but it doesn't go completely in. There's a lot of play and it doesn't really fit the other way. Now I printed another version, this one. Like I said, prototype doesn't have the hole for the screw. So this one does not even fit, it doesn't go in. Then I printed one more version, this one, which was closer to what would actually work. You can see the gyro infield, gotta love this thing. But it wouldn't go in. So I still needed to make some changes. I needed to lower this height and do all this kind of stuff. It's very hard to predict what kind of changes you have to do until you actually do it, simply because it's all related with the tolerances of your printer and the nozzle that you're using and all this kind of stuff. But eventually I came to this. So this is my last version. You can see I used the screw. This actually came from my motorcycle. It's a screw that it's no longer being used. And if I do this, simply works. It's perfect. See? It's perfect. And then the camera will just go in here. Put it on a camera. It's actually pretty simple, like you would do with any of this kind of thing. You just turn it around. It's quite stuck. I mean, it won't go anywhere. And come here, you just put it on top of it. I cannot press the button, unfortunately, because I'm holding the phone, and that's it. It's perfect. Love when things just fit. Ugh. Gotta love that feeling.